Okay, I'm over here
greenhouse.
with a weighing ma right now, picking up the logo in science, and I love this yard here. Man, this is amazing. It's beautiful. Look at he got like pretty much a lot of stuff here. Oh wow, look at this. So Cherimoya. This is so cool. I love yards like this. And you got loquat, more Cherimoya. So this one is in the ground, the other one was in a pot. Let's see what else here. The yard is pretty warm right now. Oh wow, yeah, his pomegranate is still flying like mine too. So this one's in the ground. I love the way he pruned his tree so that way, you know, it's a single trunk and you can walk underneath it. This is like a little nice canopy. I need to do mine like this too. This is so cool. Tomatoes like mine too. This is his front yard. It's so cool here. Let's see what happened there. Oh, and then this is dragon fruit, and then we got guava. Lots of guava. We got lots of guava. And then another guava. And then we got dragon fruits right there. There's fruits here. You got quite a few fruits still hanging on. Yeah. Do you get frost at all? Do you get frost over here?
No, not that bad actually.
Yeah. You know what you should do? This tree, you should get rid of it because I have one tree in front of my house too.
Yeah.
Very invasive.
Yeah, it is.
You should get rid of it. Like, you know, go to Home Depot and rent their chainsaw and just cut it off. Yeah, because it's really invasive. The roots, oh man, the roots are larger than your body.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah,
you.
in fact, I cut it down.
Yeah, no.
2 years ago.
No, you need to go to Home Depot and then get a chainsaw and cut all the way down here. Like you rent it, it's pretty cheap, right? And then just use it for a day and then just cut it. You really need a chainsaw. You can't get rid of this.
It grows so fast.
Oh yeah. No, I have one. We just got rid of it. I have the city got rid of mine in front of my house. So yeah, it's very not good for your house because it will ruin your foundation too. So you should get rid of it. Just go to Home Depot and rent the chainsaw.
This one at least 40 years old at least.
Yeah, no, in the 50s. They probably planted in the 40s and the 50s. Yeah. Not a very good, because they're known to have very bad invasive roots, and it'll damage your foundation and everything.
Yep, definitely.
So just go to Home Depot and rent. That's what I would do is rent the chainsaw and chop it off, and then like you need to also get rid of the base too.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, in fact, I have when I moved back in here, I have 3 big trees on the back.
Oh yeah, this kind.
Other kind. Then I have to, at that time, pay someone to do it.
Yeah. No, this one you don't have to pay.
$2,000.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's cheap. If you just go to Home Depot and rent like 20, like less than like maybe $50.
Yeah.
For a whole day, and you just like just chopping, and then you need to get rid because they have those chainsaw that will allow you to cut through the base.
I have big enough chainsaw to cut this thing.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, but you need to get rid all the way. Yeah. And then also try to get rid of the whole thing too, because it's not good. Not
The
really
wood
not good
need
because
to get the
yeah, if you were to dig, because
Yeah.
mine was about 4 feet away from the 4 or 5 feet away from
Yeah.
the tree,
Uh-huh.
and man, the root were like the
Yeah.
size of your thing, your body. So yeah, not good. This tree, bad news for
Yep.
you. So
Yep.
the sooner you get rid of it, the better. So
Yeah.
just don't let it sit there. You know. Yeah.
So you grow a lot of stuff at home too, right?
Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah. Is your my ice cream tree is not fruiting. I mean, I saw flower once, and then it just didn't have any.
This one?
Yeah, that's an ice cream tree right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Mine have flower last year,
Mm.
but seem like this year don't have
How
flower.
old's your tree?
At least I think 4 years.
4 years. Okay.
Yeah, but I put in.
Oh, yours in the pot. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
in the
Oh,
pot.
it needs to go into the soil.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would get rid of that tree and put that in in its spot instead. Yeah, better, because then you get to eat and then not only that, you can use it as mulch. This is good fertilizer, the leaves.
yeah.
Yeah. So that one is useless. This one is
That
better.
one you
Yeah.
said.
Yeah.
You're
That
right.
tree. Yeah. So.
This one is pretty good for the winter time. I was surprised. It's
Oh
still
wow,
very
that's
nice.
nice. Yeah.
That's
What kind is this?
I
Oh
thought
wow.
it's Columbia yellow,
Oh.
but it's red.
Yeah, nice.
don't even
You have
get
extra
the
cutting?
yellow
I love to have some if you decide to prune.
Yeah, but it takes a long time.
I
to
know.
fruit.
Yeah, yeah. If
4
you
or 5 months now.
yeah, if you prune, I'd love to get some cutting
Oh yeah,
from it. Yeah.
This one I have a whole bunch.
Oh,
Of them.
oh, here's your seed.
Yeah.
Oh, here's your seed.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Oh wow.
yeah,
So easy to grow, huh?
yeah. Very easy. Yeah, but do it in March.
Right.
Yeah. What happened to the leaves on these thing here? Maybe you got too much water there, or what? Or not enough?
Yeah, I just didn't have time to taking care of them. But also, it just grabbed not long ago.
Oh, you graft?
2 years ago.
Oh, what kind is it? What is it?
This one should be golden nugget.
Oh, golden nugget. Yeah, I didn't really like it. I bought it from Home Depot. Oh, not Home Depot, Costco. Mine just died. I didn't really like it. Honey would be better. Honey or calamansi, not calamansi, satsuma.
Satsuma, yeah.
I like it, yeah.
Actually, I got a lot of satsuma, so I have.
Yeah, satsuma is really good. Yeah, yeah. I
everywhere
love
right now.
satsuma.
This is
Yeah.
satsuma.
Yeah, that looks like it. The leaves look like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, your June plum is huge. Look at your June plum. Whoa,
Yeah,
nice.
It has some disease, so I just spray something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. And then it's always out like this outside? Or you bring it inside or in the
I
winter?
just got it a few months.
Oh, you just bought it.
I saw they put already.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, that's nice.
We can
Nice.
eat the right
Nice.
away,
Yeah,
so-
yeah. You know what you do too? I think you should have a seed mature enough to plant them.
No, I probably don't have seed in there.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your roselle.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
in the
used to
ground.
have a whole bunch of them. This year I only have one.
Wait, is this a mango?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What kind is this?
Kaiser?
A Kaiser?
Yeah, no. Kisa.
Kisar. Oh, okay. Yeah, mine did do really well. It ended up dying. But you should not let it fruit like this because you take the energy from the
Yeah.
tree. So what you should probably cut that fruit and eat it green.
Yeah.
Because,
actually ready to eat already. That's a lot of fruit.
Huh?
I had to cut a lot of fruit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This tree seems too small to bear fruit. I mean, like it's how long you
But
got this
the
tree?
seller say I can have fruit the first year.
I would
Yeah,
just
yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Who's that? Yeah. So this is second year.
It's okay.
Planogram.
Plantogram, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a tree from them too. So how old is this tree here that you have in your yard?
I have it for this is my
Second year?
1.5, yeah.
1.5?
Second year.
Yeah, I think a tree will look better if you remove the fruit. I would say remove the fruit and eat it green.
It almost right, so I said, well, let me try it.
Well, you know what? Let me see, because if it has a little freckles, that means it's ready. You can pick it and you let it right on the counter.
I haven't opened it for a while. So.
Let's see this Keiser fruit mango tree here. Oh yeah, you should it's ready. So just pick, because you see this little dimple. I mean the freckles mean it's ready. See, it's like all over the body, and then you just let it sit on the counter, and then they'll be give you good flavors.
Yeah,
if you want to try, just want to try and see how it tastes. Let me see this fruit. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah,
fruit.
it was fruit all over up here. I have to cut all off except one as well.
Yeah. Yeah, you should just remove it, and then don't let it, and then let all the energy go back to the plant. Otherwise, it's gonna.
It's winter time. It's not gonna grow anyway.
Like. No, but you still want it. The tree to maintain its health.
Yeah, that's really true.
Yeah, because I one time I had my what is it? One of those trees. I forgot what it's called already. Anyway, I let it fruit, and it just didn't do really well, and it just died on me.
In fact, I have two. One of them, I don't know why it died. Then I grab it in here. Hopefully, I don't know the grab. It doesn't look very good.
Does this have seeds?
Yeah.
Can I have the seed?
They have seed.
I want to try it too.
Oh, yeah.
I want to try it too.
They take the whole flower.
Oh, okay. I want to try plant growing next year too. Thank you.
Yeah, take two, just in case.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, June plum looks nice. So, do you get frost at all when it's cold?
Maybe a day or two.
Like in the morning, right? Early frost. Yeah,
No,
because
not that bad.
because I got frost like for the last couple of weeks. I got a frost like here and there in the morning. So you don't see that at all. Like at 7 o'clock, I get up, I get frost.
Not recently.
No? Oh, okay. That's good.
In a month or so.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's nice. Oh, and you have a really good place here. Oh, I love that. That's pigeon pea, right? That looks like pigeon pea.
That one?
Yeah.
I don't know what
I think it's pigeon pea.
But they have a lot of flowers.
Can I have some seed? Because I think you might look like pigeon pea, because
I see it grow by itself so easy.
I want to grab some seed here, so that way I want to try growing. Because you can use it for mulch.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I don't know if you can eat it too. I don't know if people eat this thing.
Oh, you can eat it. That's a lot. It grows so
nice
fast.
tree. Oh, really? I think it's a pigeon pea then, because I think it's pigeon pea, because it's good for the soil. Yeah.
One thing good is it flower every
nice
all year round.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Nice flower.
It won't affect by winter.
It looks beautiful though, the tree.
The flower's beautiful.
Yeah, yellow, beautiful color like that.
Trim it all the time.
That's nice. Yeah, you definitely need to get rid of that tree, because it's not good. Because you know what happened too is that it will basically rob all the nutrients from other plants, the roots. So you need to really get rid of it.
Basically, I don't grow anything on ground except that